Hello everyone. Are you struggling to read the tiny text on Snapchat? Today, I'm here to make your Snapchat experience a lot easier by showing you how to increase the font size. Let's get started. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the steps to increase the font size on Snapchat, making the text more readable and enjoyable. First, open up Snapchat. And as you can see, all my text and names are pretty small. This is not a problem for me, but if you like your font a little bit bigger, then let's get to doing that. Go to your homepage and look for Settings. Once you find it, open it and look for Display. Once you're inside Display, click on Font and Display Size. Here, you can play around with the font size and the display size. Look, you can even make the text bold. Once you feel like you've done everything that's comfortable for you, head back to Snapchat. And as you can see, the font size has increased. Let me show you. And that's how you increase your font size on Snapchat. It's a quick and easy way to make your text more readable and expressive. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.